Hello everyone, my name is Isabella. I'm Director of Finance and Operations of the Sustainability Squad in George Brown. As everybody knows, our squad is promoting this workshop series for WWF Canada. For the ones who don't know, then they have this program called Living Planet at Campus. I hope you guys can see it, which allow us students to take actions for nature and get credit for this. So they offer us a certificate which is for free that you can upload in your LinkedIn, you can put in your resume. It looks great in there. There's really good benefits about it, not to mention all the awesome things that we would be doing for our environment. So thinking of helping you guys to get the certificate, we created a project, the Birdhouse Project, where we are gonna deliver for you guys all the material that you will need to build the house. And in the video today, we are gonna teach you guys how to put all the pieces together and actually build the birdhouse. So I'm very excited about this project. I hope you guys will join us. And so let's get started. I'm gonna show you guys everything that you would be getting in your house. And there's in total 7 pieces of wood, which includes the 2 laterals of the house, the front, a back, which has 2 screws that you use to hang, 2 pieces for the roof, like this, and the bottom of the house. You will be receiving also some nails and metal wire like this, so you can use to hang the house, to attach somewhere. You can play around with that. And I built this house by myself, but for this video I asked David to help me because, well, if you guys are like me, you don't have that much experience to building stuff, it's nice to have one more hand. I almost forgot to mention, and the only thing that you will need for this project is a hammer. So let's get started.
Okay, so we're gonna take these 2 pieces. First, we're gonna get the nails started just so they're just poking through on the other side. And then we're gonna nail it onto this. And so you're gonna take this piece in one hand and this piece in one hand.
Which one
put
is
it
this
like
piece?
that. This piece is the piece that has the 2 bird hangers on the back.
Yes, the back.
It's the back, and this is the base.
Yes.
And so you're gonna put them at a right angle, and you're gonna use your thumb to hold it like that. And then we're going to hammer it. So we've got 2 on there. So what we'll do is we'll do 2 on each edge, and then once it's done and we make sure everything fits, we can really put more nails in if we feel like it. So now we're gonna put this one,
The lateral?
the lateral on, yeah. Actually, first we're gonna put a second nail in so that it's ready to go. Okay, so now it's time to put our laterals on.
Nice. So he already put the nails in the bottom, but to make a better support, he will put a nail on the back as well, going through the lateral.
Okay.
Nice. We are almost there. Now we are gonna put the front of the house.
So now we are hammering a nail
Can you
into
show?
the front of the birdhouse, into the birdhouse entrance.
How many nails are you gonna put in here?
Just 2.
So he's gonna put 2 nails in here and 2 nails in there.
And then we're gonna put some on the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now we have the birdhouse almost ready. As you guys can see, that's really cute. And now we are gonna put the roof together. So the roof, we have 3 in here. There are 2 pieces, but one is bigger than the other because we are gonna attach them like this, and you want both sides with the same dimension.
So you can put the nails in the side of the piece over a piece of wood on a table.
It's like this.
So that when you nail them in on top, they're ready to go. So you just get them started on the table.
So one half of the roof is done. We want to start with this the smaller piece of the roof, so it's flush in here. Also, I just wanna bring the attention that we are gonna make the flush the back of the house. So yeah, cause the roof it's longer than the lateral, so you wanna have the back of the house flush. And now you're gonna place the other side of the roof in here. We had a technical issue with our video, but I want to thank David so much for helping me. And as you guys can see, our birdhouse is ready. It's super cute. It's a really easy project to do, perfect to do with kids if you have. And we want to invite you to participate in this project with us. I'm gonna put in the subtitles our Sustainability Squad Instagram, and in there you will find out a form that you can fill it up. And then hopefully we'll be delivering for you guys all the materials to do this birdhouse. I want to thank everybody for watching this. I had a great time doing it, and I hope I will see everybody in this project with us. Bye bye!